cats and dogs are universally both very acceptable. However, cats are superior. There's enough. Just hold the fuck. She's currently hiding. So I'm just gonna clip in some old shit from maybe a year ago. Oh no, she'll look cute. Naturally, after I find it. Oh, now you're not gonna look at me. Oh, you're gonna continue cleaning because you know I'm recording. This bitch. Hey. Say hi. Say hi to all of your adoring fans. That's right, you. You got eye bogies. Come here. No, come here.